So we have learned about knowing numbers. Like we have learned some properties. Now today that all those knowing numbers will come under Hindu-Arabic system. Now this is an before the Hindu-Arabic system, people were using what are called Roman numbers. Generally, these Roman numbers we will find in the wall clocks, and you may, this is number one. Number two, your teachers will write question papers, they will use the Roman letter 1, 2 like that. And third place, you can see in your timetable, they will use Roman letters generally. So let us see what are the Roman numbers that all of you know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I'll write the numbers also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And some more Roman numerals we will learn, that is L, C, D, M. L, C, D and M. L is the 50, C is 100, D is 500 and M is 1000. M is 1000. I repeat, L for 50, that is 50 number is denoted by the letter L, 100 is denoted by C and 500 is denoted by D and 1000 is denoted by M. Let us see some interesting things in these 1 to 10 numbers. Watch it from here. The 4 you have here 1 and 5. This is 5. That means, and here 5. In 5, what happened here? 5, how you will get 4 plus 1. That means when you go from here 4 to 5, this has been removed. This has been removed, so that it becomes 5. Then after 5 what happened? That means in the previous lesson we have learned 4 is the predecessor of 5. That means from 5 you have to subtract 1. Therefore here this 1 has come. After 5 the successor is 6. That means after 5 you put 1 here, then this 1 here, it will become 6. That means if you go on the right side of this 1, it keeps increasing. Like you see from 6, how do you write the 7? 2 slashes. Then 8, after 8 you see, after 7 you will get 8, that is 3. That is 7k. After 7 you will put one more line, it will become 8. Now don't try to understand 9. Let us see 10 first. 10 symbol is capital X. So what will be 9? So 1 less. 1 less means it is before 10. That is, this is 10. Before 10 you have to write 1. 1 less means you just put 1. Then that will become 9. After 10 I want to write 11. How do I write it now? 11 means first 10. How much more it is? 1. That means you put 1 slash. So it becomes 11. Now 12. Let's see 12. How many? 1, 1. Now let us take, say for example I want to write 18. 18 means 10. This will be 5. 10 plus 5, 15. Then followed by how many? 3. 18. Now 19, let's keep pending. Let's go for 20. 20 means how many tens? 2 tens. 1 10, another 10. So how do we write 19? you will write both the tens, that is 20, and one less. That means we should write on the left side. Whenever a number is less, you should write this /1 on the left side. If it is more, for example, I want to write 21. How do you write? That slash will come after two tens. There are some rules. First one, there are some rules to write the Roman numbers. Number one, if a symbol is repeated, just now I have explained, this is 10. If the symbol is repeated, and this will become 20. Suppose I write this 10, 10, 10. So what will be this one? 30. That means if the symbol is repeated, that will be added. That is, here 2 times symbol is there, so 10 plus 10, 20. Here 3 times is there, so 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Like this. Rule number 2, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. That means if I write like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, then a symbol is not repeated, its symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. So this will be wrong. So there is no meaning if you write more than 3 times. Then how to write 40 now? Think about this. Okay, and 50 already we have given. 50, what is the letter for 50? Roman letter L. That means now you have to tell me what is the Roman letter for 40. Okay, and that is the rule number 2. Rule number 1 is, this is there, so any symbol will repeat maximum 3 times. Rule number 2, no symbol will repeat more than 3 times. And rule number 3, already I have explained, if a symbol of smaller value is written before the symbol, okay, that is the symbol is there, and if I write like this, then this is nothing but 5 plus 1, that is 6. Suppose if I write like this, then this will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. I have already explained these two properties. Then fifth property, the symbols V, L, D. The symbols V, L, D are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. That means V, L, D are never subtracted. Are never subtracted. The symbol slash, that is we can call maybe I, can be subtracted from V and X only. I have already shown example. For example, 1 and X. What is this? This is 10 because 1 is there before this. So 10 minus 1, 9. Suppose you write V 1 1 1, right? Then this will be 5 plus here 3 ones are there. So 5 plus 3, 8. So this I is subtracted only from these two, but not from L and D. L and D. Now earlier I was telling what is the Roman symbol for 40, to denote 40. 40 means how much it is? It is 10 less than 50. What is the symbol for 50? L. And 10 is less. Less means we should write X symbol before 10. That means this is 40. Now to write 41, what do I write? X, L and 1. This is 41. So how to write 49? To write 49, first we have to know what is the symbol for 50. Already you know it, it is L. And 49 means it is the predecessor, 1 less than 50. So how do I write? L 1 less than 50, that means I. So this will be 49. So I'm sorry, it's not I. So this is 50 children. So I know 40 already. This is 40. All of us know this is 40 and 9. What is the symbol for 9? I and X. So this is 49 and this will be 50. And you know how to get 50. And here will 50 symbol is already given L. Okay. So now these rules can be applied for, or these rules can be applied to write any numbers like this. Later on, for holiday homework, I'll give a project. I will give you one project. So you have to write all Roman numbers from 1 to 100.